Mehendi Garg continues to be with us on the broadcast. She's joining us live from the Civil Aviation Ministry. Mehendi, we just took a detailed look at the timeline of the crash, and we of course also saw that the aircraft was airborne for something close to 30 seconds, and immediately after takeoff both engine switches transitioned to cut off. So what are the details that you can give us regarding that, regarding to what has led up to this incident?
Well, yes, Malvika, we are talking about the key takeaways from the preliminary report that has been presented by the AAIB about the Ahmedabad airplane crash. And one of the major key takeaways for our viewers, once again, it is that, how the both engines got shut down mid-air within seconds after the turn off. And also, it holds question that, how the fuel cutoff switch moved from run to takeoff just after a few seconds. So it has also been confirmed in the report from the cockpit audio of both the pilots talking with each other. One of the pilots asking that why did you turn it off, and the other one replying I did not. So this is, we can say that one of the major takeaways that has been come out from the preliminary report about the airplane crash that happened on 12th June, where 241 people lost their lives and only one got out from this such a major incident that happened. So apart from that also, Malvika, talking about the engines when it got switched off from run to turn off, and both the engines were not working, and the pilots tried to recover both the engines, but they only managed to partially recover one of the engines, and the other second engine, because there were two engines in that airplane, and the second one was not able to recover before impact. And it is mentioned in the report as well that the airplane was airborne for just 32 seconds and it got crashed after that. So indeed we can say a major technical lapse and a major security lapse have happened in this airplane crash, where 240 people lost their lives. So indeed right now the further investigation is still underway, Malvika, because it is just a preliminary report, and we can say that more findings and more updates will come as soon as the AAIB will thoroughly investigate this matter and will try to understand that how the engine got switched from run to cut off. Yes, Malvika.
Well, Mehendi, we're also